love my food. I need to eat to have a good day. I'm Alain Roux. This is the chef series at the Datai Langkawi. Watching my dad cook at the Waterside Inn was a revelation. I knew since 16 years old that I wanted to be a chef. I love the classic French cooking. So I still use that base in a lot of my dishes these days. I want to bring local produce forward. I try to blend everything and to work hands in hands. To be at the Datai is like a paradise. To be so close to the nature, it brings me that cooking has to stay simple. Just make sure you respect the ingredients, and I love that vision. To be able to cook with so many chefs, you can cook at a different level. I love to cook à la minute, and fresh is best. Every single time you cook that dish, it has to be as perfect as possible. You're only as good as your last meal. There's always space for improvement. You have to follow expectation and the trends as well. You have to live with your time. Having a meal here at the Datai, it's very special for me. You have the view, the surroundings, you have to experience it.
The Chef Series is where mastery meets reflection. Chef Alain Roux carries decades of craft, blending heritage and intention in every dish. At the Datai Langkawi, nature inspires the rhythm, flavor and balance of the kitchen. Each meal becomes a pause to savor precision, place and thoughtfulness. Here, tradition, taste and memory converge, leaving an echo long after the last bite.